Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware. Make sure the external monitor is powered and cables, HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, are snug. Next, open Display Controls. On Windows, go to Settings System Display, and on Mac OS, use System Preferences Displays. Once there, identify the brightness slider and any adaptive brightness or ambient light options. If you have a dedicated GPU, also open its control panel now. These are the first actionable steps to get low brightness under direct control. Now you handle the detailed adjustments. First, disable adaptive or automatic brightness so the display doesn't override your setting. This stops sudden increases. Then update, or if a recent update caused issues, roll back the display and GPU drivers in Device Manager or System Update. Drivers often affect brightness control. Use the GPU control panel or the monitor OSD to set low brightness and reduce contrast for comfort. Make sure to apply and test changes. If using multiple monitors, adjust each one individually. Finish by saving your settings. Create a profile in the OS, in the GPU control panel, or in the monitor OSD so you can recall low brightness quickly. Once done, enable night or light mode and lower color temperature to reduce blue light in very dark environments. If brightness controls fail, try the key troubleshooting tip. Check power and advanced power settings, then boot into safe mode to test whether a driver or third-party app is blocking control. If that isolates the issue, reinstall the display driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.